Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I was going to do a little haul real quick, and then an intro to the next project. I've been trying to figure out how to show you these Tim Holtz stamps, but I can't figure out how to do it without the reflection. I've tried every kind of lighting, short of removing every stamp off of there. If I kind of angle it, that might be a little bit better. At least you can see. This one has numbers. This one has some script, and then this one has like a dictionary page. And then I've gotten these at different times, and I have not used them because they were stashed away, so I dragged them out. But let's see if we can get part of that glare gone. I've got the butterflies. This one says Paris, New York, London. In fact, I was looking for names. Okay, look. The first one is Reflections, CMS 111. So that's that one. And then this one, trying to get that glare, and it has the butterflies down here at the bottom as well. This one is Papillon, CMS 106. This one is cool. It has the map. Kind of, I know it's a weird angle, but I'm trying to get rid of that glare. It has the map. It has the alphabet here typed 5 across. It's got days of the week, calendar, looks like a library card stamp, and then a keyboard. And this one is Documented, CMS 226. And this one is 2 script stamps, larger ones. I wanted those for backgrounds. This one is Ledger Script, CMS 241. And this one has a white plastic background, so you can actually see the design. I don't know if one of these is newer or older. I think these are newer on account of they have the 1s and the 2s. This one has a 0. This one's Urban Chic, CMS 086. But this is my favorite one. It has the grungy numbers, this little flourish. Always know in your heart that you are far bigger than anything that can happen to you. I love these. Live in the moment, make it so beautiful that it will be worth remembering. It's a little postcard stamp, a little corner, and some flourishes. I really like that. And then I had another one that I ordered, and it's like been on back order forever. I don't know if I'll ever get it. I ordered those from QVC, and I may have paid more than what some of you guys pay for Tim Holtz, but I can't find Tim Holtz products out here. I have looked at Hobby Lobby. I have looked at, everyone says, oh, Tuesday morning. I've never found anything Tim Holtz Tuesday morning. So anything Tim Holtz I've ordered on Amazon, and it's usually really expensive. So anyway, that's why I ordered from QVC. This is my little Dollar Tree haul. In fact, I decided not to take a cart. I thought, well, if I don't take a cart, I'll buy less stuff. Well, I ended up having to buy this little basket to carry stuff. But anyway, my Dollar Tree has a new craft section. So I got these pink clamps. There's 6 in a pack, and I know I'll use those. I'm hoping they're not too hard to squeeze. They had some double-sided tape, and I thought for $1, I know it's not going to be score tape, but for $1 I thought I'd try it. I did go ahead and get a palette knife set. This is from Dollar Tree, and I did get the one, what did I do with that? Oh, I'll show you that in a minute. I did get my Hobby Lobby order. And it came with a few extra things, but that'll be nice. And I thought I'd grab some of these silicone finger protectors. Number one, they're pink, but number two, you know, these are perfect for hot glue, or these will be a great replacement for this when I'm gluing down lace, because they are silicone. It says right there, 100% silicone. I got a couple of rolls of diamond wrap. I got a pink and a, what is that? Just clear. And I got, this is for my kids, I got a chalk writer. I thought we'd try that. We have a dry erase board that I put up for my grocery list. They took it. Actually, it happened like this. My husband and I have a chalkboard that we've had since college, and we always have written everything on it. Our notes to each other, groceries, phone numbers, you name it. Well, the kids somehow took over, and they started writing on my chalkboard. So I got a dry erase board for me. Well, now they've taken over both. So they're hilarious. They're always drawing cartoons and stuff. Anyway, they had these 3 rolls of pop dot tape, which I don't use an awful lot, but it comes in the 1/4 inch, looks like 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. So that'll be nice, because maybe I'll use it if I have it. They had cork sheets. I don't know what I'll do with these, guys. If you have any ideas for the cork sheets, let me know. But I thought it would make an interesting background. Oh my goodness, they're adhesive. So what I was thinking was maybe putting a piece of fabric on the back, and making it into a journal cover. I thought that might be fun. Maybe a school-themed journal or something. I don't know. If you think of anything, let me know. And then these jewel borders. In fact, I don't think I can even get the whole thing in here. They had the 2 colors. This is like a, well, it's kind of a coffee and coffee water. It's the one in the middle is darker. I guess it's a champagne tone. Champagne, that's the color. But look at all these. You know, you could use them as borders. You could cut them and use them individually. And then I got the ones that were white and clear. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. And I only spent $23. So not too bad. All right, let me grab the Hobby Lobby order and I'll be right back. Okay, so for my Hobby Lobby order, I got this palette knife and spreader set. Let's see what's in here. I don't think, and I want to say I paid like $2.50 for this, so it wasn't much more than Dollar Tree. But this one, these are heavier tools. I wanted this for the clay work because they're very thin. I don't know if you can tell, but very, very thin. I think that'll slice through that clay and get down into that, the recesses there. And then it has these 2 spreaders and even different textures. So I don't know if you can see that or not. They've got, this one's straight on the bottom, but this one has the teeth. This one has more spread apart. These are kind of rounded, but anyway, that'll give it a nice texture if I needed to. And then I ordered these 3 sets of sacks. These are glassine bags, but they're craft color. And this one is 5x5 by 7 3/4, 12. And it says $3, but I got everything for like $1.27. This one is 4 by 6 1/4. And there's 12 in there, and then this one is teeny tiny. It's 2.63, so what, 2 2/3 almost by almost 4 inches, and there's 25 in here. These are little teeny tiny. Oh, there's a white thing around it, but these are cute little teeny tiny, and I think these will work perfectly for the little tag sizes that I have. Oh, and they're nice paper. Nice. It's not like grocery bag or masking paper. It's thicker than that. So these are nice. And there again, I paid like $1.27 or $1.37, something like that. Very inexpensive. And then I have been eyeing this one forever, and you'll see it says $19.99. I got this for $7.50, $7.49, and this is Kirby Teasdale Studio. It is the Paper Studio, which is that the Hobby Lobby brand? I don't know, but it was 50% off, so I bought it. And this one has fabulous paper. Oh, look at that one. There's 4 of 20 different designs. Just gorgeous. This one looks familiar. I think that one's in one of the other ones I got. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm not a fan of green or orange, but you know, in conjunction with the rest of it, very, very pretty. But like I said, there's 20 designs, 4 of each. And so there's 80 pages in here. They are single-sided. They're white on the back. But just beautiful. Ooh, that's looks like almost like a chalkboard. That looks similar to one of the pages I designed. I did a fabric line that was named after my grandma, so it was kind of a 1930s kind of feel. I'm working on converting it to a journal kit, so I'll let you know when I finish that. Oh, look at that silverware. The butterflies are fabulous. They're nice and bright. Chairs, furniture, and then we have this one. I think this might be one of my favorites. It's kind of a tealy green on the corners, but I'm really liking the collagey look. So, okay, let me get the kit I'm going to be working on. So this is the Pink Grace by Calico Collage, and I've printed out the ephemera. Let me get this stuff out of the way so I don't knock it down. I've printed out the ephemera on 110-pound cardstock, and I got almost all of it printed, and then I ran out of ink. This does use a lot of ink, a lot of red, but if you have the instant ink, that's not an issue. In fact, I had to change all the ink cartridges while I was working on this, all 3 of them, the colored ones, not the black, but I just love having the instant ink. I highly recommend the HP with the instant ink. So it's an envelope with a little booklet, another envelope, coin envelope kind of thing with a couple of inserts here, library card, library pocket. There's some tickets, some journal cards, some other inserts. I love these jars. This is very Beauty and the Beast to me. In fact, after I do this journal, a friend of mine asked me to do a Beauty and the Beast, and I'm trying to figure out in my head how to do it, and I'm thinking of I may be using this kit in conjunction with some other designs. So some banners, some borders like for belly bands or what have you. These are some that I just printed out with a clipping mask from the backgrounds. These are just complete background pages. Nothing's changed. I just put a tag clipping mask over the top because I like to have extra tags and such. Tickets, corners, tabs, butterflies, a couple more envelopes, another big envelope. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that page. So here's the backgrounds. Huge roses. I just love this. This is just a wonderful kit. So here's that background that I used on the envelope. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can't wait to get into this. Oh, and on the back oh, that one didn't work. I'm going to have to revisit that. Of course, that's the one that I flip over. On the back, it comes with a background, and I printed this at 75% because I didn't want it so dark. So it's a lighter pink, but 75% opacity. So yeah, there's this next one that goes with it. So apparently that one got stuck going through the printer like so on the back side. So we'll do something with those pages. I mean, we'll use them for ephemera. We won't use them necessarily in the journal portion. But yeah, these are fabulous papers. And I've been wanting to use this one for quite a while. And these are the cover pages. This is one page. I believe it overlaps about, wow, is that the way it goes? Yeah, this way. That's how it goes. This is the whole page, and I've just enlarged it so that I have a larger page for the cover. I'm going to use an envelope wrap. These are the pages that I started running out of ink, and I still think they look really cool because it's kind of green, and so I'm not throwing away. This one was only just right here where it started to go, and then I would look at it, and it was night, so the lighting was kind of off, and I was like, are those right? Are those not right? Because you can still see pink and red, especially on this last one. There's lots of red in here, so it wasn't completely out of ink, but I will still be using those. So anyway, that's going to be my next project. So I'm going to do a regular 9x6 journal, one signature, back to my basics. I say back to basics, but it's back to my basics. That's my favorite kind of journal, and sometimes you just need to go with what's comfortable for you. It's good to get out of your box, outside your box, but it's also good to be comfortable, and I've had a stressful couple weeks. Excuse me. And I just need something that I'm comfortable with, so that's what we're going to start on tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to put a few things together. I'll probably cut out all the ephemera and fold the pages and things like that, but tomorrow I'll show you what we've got and we'll move on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.